So this is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. This is my personal SSD drive. It is 15 terabyte, I kid you not. But I put some data in it and I had to find an actual software. And I did find one after I paid for one. And I found one for free. This is called DeepScan. So I'm going to take you to the software. Okay. So this is scanning. As you can see, it found some 9,440. This is deep scan. Okay, it found. Now it started and it's going to take a long time. Okay. So whenever you're recovering data, best thing to do to test any application. Okay, free, not free, paid, paid, not paid. You need to try it on your own personal laptop. So as you can see, this is my old personal laptop. I know it's got Windows 7 on it. This is my crash and burn laptop. Let me repeat that. Crash and burn laptop, right? So it doesn't belong to end user, doesn't belong to a customer. It's mine. I know how to fix it. Okay, let's just put that in everybody's mind out there. And if you've been in the industry for too long, you know how to do it. You know how to do a break fix. You know how to do an install and all the other things that needs to be done. So the ultimate test would be for this application that I installed is to retrieve all my deleted files in the SSD. So it's going to take a long time. You see the green bar. Okay. So this is where your skills actually come into the play of all the hard work that you have done, all the certs you've taken, all the training, and all the 10,000 end users and customers you have supported in 30 years of career like me, right? If you can't fix your own problem, what good it is? So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed and I'm going to knock on wood that my data gets retrieved. So what I'm using right now is this software. Can you see it? It's called RECUVA. So let's cross our fingers and go from there. This is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job.